Well, good morning. It's about 7:30 a.m. on Monday morning, March 24th, 2025. Boy, I'm trying to decide what to do with today because I can tell you, getting the desk out, getting the carpet out, and getting some of the tile up has left me not really energetic. Uh, yeah, the get up and go, got up and went. Hey. But one of the fun things I found, uh, I I found a case. It's either my Merlot from either 2011 or 2013, or it's my elderberry mead from 2012 or 2011. I haven't popped the top on one yet, so I don't know. But either one was a good one. So if it's 13, well, this is 12 years old. If it's 12, it's 13 years old. If it's 11, it's 14. It'd really be nice if it is the mead, because that had some real good flavor and a real good kick. But the Merlot came out wonderful. So I'm trying to decide what to do. Because, hey, uh, anyway, I threw a couple bottles in the fridge to get them chilled. And quite honestly, after after yesterday, curling up with a bottle of wine or bottle of mead and enjoying it for today could be very interesting and enjoyable. But there's always consequences to choice. And my question is, do I want to take and enjoy the wine, or do I want to go ahead and go get a disc grinder at Harbor Freight, or do I want to try to go find the disc grinder I know I had, but I think I gave to my niece, lost somewhere in my garage, or given away to my niece? Because I could spend 2, 3 hours looking for my disc grinder, and it's either I gave it to her or another person. Uh, I don't remember. It's been a little while since that happened, but yeah, need the disc grinder to take a couple of nails out of the floor, grind them down even with the floor so I can put tile over it. And I need to get in there and chisel out the last few bits of the tile that have the tack strip in it for the carpet. They didn't take the tile out, they just nailed straight through the tile into the concrete, and yeah, happy joy joy. Some of this stuff just rotted and left nails sticking up. Yeah, I'm thinking I can pull some of them with a hammer, but some of them are going to be in there good. And I already know I've got like three others that I need to bring down anyway. And this is just the beginning of it. So I'm thinking best plan for the day: eat something before I go run off, get my disc grinder from Harbor Freight, swing by, hit the grocery store after 9, see if I can pick up my prescription, and then get back here, eat. Well, I should say cook now and have it ready to go when I get back, eat, because it shouldn't take more than about an hour, hour and a half out and about. And that's about the right timer for my air fryer. And I got another chunk of meat, so of course I could just eat the other chunk of meat that's already went through the air fryer. Pork roast turned out good yesterday. Half of it disappeared. This is why I'm not wanting the pork roast today, because I ate too much of it yesterday. I want something different. Choices, choices. Everything in life is. So I've got one bottle in the freezer and three in the bottom of the refrigerator, chilling. Uh, I do need to get the disc grinder because I do want to try to get this floor finished and ready to. And I also need to swing by and check the paint for the room. So this would be a good day to do that. Quite honestly, I really just want to grab one of those bottles and drink it down and go to sleep. Because I can tell you, my get up and go got up and went. Dragging the carpet and the desk out of there and emptying everything out of the closet and all that. Yeah, more work than what I wanted to deal with. But I got a lot done. So, yay. Trying to kick it in gear and get it going because I only have so much time before I got to leave here. And then, it's like somebody came by. I don't know what way you can see it. Yeah. Made an offer on my house. It's about 15,000 less than what I would want. Minimum. That's if I don't do anything else to it. I get this floor done here and the room painted and can move all that stuff into there. Then I can really start getting a lot more done. Because then I have the whole living room, all the hallway. And once I get that done, I can move the kitchen. And I now have a completely empty room. I just need to get the paint job and the floor done. So, yay. Progress. Problem with that is it's a lot more energy than I really want to do. I want to go fishing. I'm seriously wanting to go fishing. Uh, but yeah, everything in life, choosies. I'm trying to always make sure I choose the better because, it's like I could have just cut and run and been in the Philippines already, but that would have put me selling my house and living off of my house money until my Social Security kicked in, which would eat away my principal. Don't want to do that. That's not a bright idea. That's why I'm still here because I'm trying to build principal, not eat it up. Yeah. Anyway, trying to get things going and get them done. Uh, yeah, I think I'm going to start some food and head out of here by the time I get this up and going, get that started. Uh, and get out of here, get that, check the store for paint, see who's got the best price on paint also. Get the disc grinder and a couple of discs. Yeah. Get back here and make it a plan for tomorrow to kick in on the floor for a couple hours. Hopefully get the all the tile and the stuff up and vacuumed out the floor and maybe dust the walls good. maybe even, I don't know. I got to get some paper for the windows so I can tape them off so I'm not spray painting the windows. Although that, uh, I sleep days, so painting the windows would be kind of my inner vampire thing going on. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you have had a blessed weekend. You had a lot of friend, food, and family, and more food. Uh, I'm gonna try to get something figured out and get it going because I got several directions I can possibly travel, and I think I'll hold off until I get back and eat before I pop the top on one of my bottles. I wasn't planning on that. I thought I'd got them all gone almost 6 months ago. Squirrel holes and all those fun places we put things. Wouldn't surprise me to show up with another case. I don't think so. I tried to put them in cool places, and there's no cool places outside other than my storm shelter, and I didn't put it in my storm shelter. I'm pretty sure I didn't. I probably should go check that. But no, I don't think I did. Anyway, this is Williams Philippines. I have hope you've had a blessed one. Like, comment, subscribe, tag along for the insanity of my days here on my daily vlog, or most days vlog. I've missed a few this month. It's been one of those. Anyway, Williams Philippines. Later blessings. Bye bye. Fish out.